soon as we have it, we'll bring you the details.
The Supreme Court has rather struck down a law that prevented Minnesota voters from wearing political clothing to the polls. Many states have restrictions for voters when they cast ballots, but Minnesota is very broad.
Ilya Shapiro is here to explain what this all means. He's a senior fellow at the Cato Institute, and he's joining us now over the telephone. So, Ilya, this is a pretty big deal when it comes to the First Amendment. Tell us what you know about this decision.
Right. Well, this case concerned a Minnesota law that said that you cannot wear into the polling place, quote, any political badge, political button, or other political insignia. So it's become known as the political apparel ban. The problem is nobody knows what political means. It's come to be defined as advocating issues or supporting candidates. But as came up during oral argument, what if you're wearing a #MeToo shirt? What if you have an NRA insignia on your hat? What if you're a union member and you're wearing your union jacket? All of these things could, in theory, qualify. And that's why the court found it very easy to strike this down. It's just an overly broad, undefinable sort of restriction on political speech. Because remember, this doesn't have to do with intimidation or harassment or even electioneering. All of those sorts of things are covered by other laws. This is simply about wearing a particular type of badge or insignia, button, clothing.
Yeah, this was a 7-2 ruling. Why did it make it all the way to the Supreme Court?
Well, because the lower courts left it in place, and it was sufficiently troubling for the Supreme Court to take up the case at the request of a number of groups and individuals who wanted to display their political views on their shirts.
So that's where we are at now. You know, you cover this beat. Are there any other cases coming up that maybe we don't know about that we should keep an eye on?
Yeah, the court is still at a record slow pace in terms of decisions. I think there's about 19 or 20 cases still outstanding, and we have less than 2 weeks left in the term. Typically, they decide everything by the end of June. The big ones that everyone's looking for are the travel ban, political gerrymandering, a case about whether police need warrants for to get information about where you've traveled with your cell phone location data. And several others that have that could have significant impacts either in terms of money or how government agencies are structured. So you never know when a seemingly small case might blow up or one that everyone's excited about ends up being a more narrow decision, as we saw with Masterpiece Cake Shop almost 2 weeks ago.
Right.
There's a pretty big cases that the Supreme Court still needs to decide on. Ilya Shapiro, thank you so much for joining.